Sutton's Civil Defence Report and Control Centre is in the basement of the council house. On duty and waiting for an emergency, volunteers at the Boldmere First Aid Centre occupy themselves by playing snooker, catching up on the family mending, or indulging in a spot of reading. Back at the report centre is a team of telephonists waiting for an alert. A member of the Observer Corps scans the sky. He's on the lookout for enemy aircraft. He sights one and quickly reports its location. The purple warning light flashes. Report and Control Centre personnel are alerted. The duty operator responsible for all incoming calls records details of the incident on an express message form. She then hands it to the messenger. He posts it through to the control room. The red air raid warning light flashes. The siren's wailing note for 2 minutes alerts the public. This local ARP warden's priority is to shepherd people still out and about into a nearby public surface shelter. It's red alert. In the control centre, the incident report is received by the plotting clerk, who updates the information board. He passes the report to the plotting officer, who updates the map. An incident has been reported in Jockey Road, Boldmere. The various heads of services call out: police, first aid and rescue teams. This looks like red tape, but each person has a particular task. By working through a smooth sequence of operations, this incident will be dealt with quickly and efficiently. The officer in charge records the decisions made on an incident board. He posts instructions from the control room to the telephone operators who make outgoing calls. Operators call the different services. A message is received at Boldmere First Aid Centre and ambulances are alerted. Three ambulances leave for Jockey Road. At the site of the incident, air raid wardens have located several casualties. One warden reports to the incident officer, whose job it is to coordinate operations. He sends a message post-haste to the ARP Centre. The ARP Centre is located at St Nicholas in Upper Clifton Road. Message received. The duty operator alerts the rescue squad. Houses are damaged and the road is blocked. Back at Jockey Road, the incident officer sends another message. An unexploded bomb has been discovered. The rescue squad arrives. Volunteers fall in, ready to receive their instructions. Their first priority is to rescue the casualty in the bomb-damaged building. Between August 1940 and July 1942, Sutton experienced 31 air raids, but there was not a great deal of serious damage. Another casualty with an injured hand has been given emergency first aid treatment. They help him over the debris. The team loads the two casualties safely into the ambulance. A team member reports to the incident officer. He sends a message to control that the rescue operation has been completed. A first aid team usually consists of a nurse, driver, and 2 stretcher bearers. These ambulances are vans lent by local firms or tradespeople and have been fitted out to carry stretchers. The duty doctor gives treatment for a deep cut in the patient's hand caused by flying glass. A professionally trained nurse is in charge of the Boldmere Centre. Volunteer nurses have received instruction in first aid up to St John's Ambulance Certificate standard. Courses are organised by local doctors and held at Oakhurst in Anchorage Road. Volunteers have also had a week's nursing experience in a hospital and have completed anti-gas training. This is a more serious head injury. The casualty rescued from the building has serious eye and leg injuries and is being prepared for transfer to hospital. The air raid is over. The siren sounds an all-clear note continuously for 2 minutes. After the raid, everyone has a nice cup of tea. All air raid incidents were effectively dealt with by the many volunteers who willingly gave up long hours of their time.